plugs out. Now smelling no
What
plugs.
you saying? You want to get enough fuel?
Yeah, wasn't getting enough fuel.
Yeah.
But my regulator was reading 45.
D-Man, pop your shit. D-Man, pop your shit. Yeah.
Y'all gonna step like a hero. She don't wanna fuck.
Why you got caught? You said that. Why you got caught back? Go with that chop. You got the break of that chop.
You know my stepdad today. Marvin Jones. Down that Mississippi got a black fucker just like you. That boy, see that there. Forgot the name on there because it look they call.
Hey man, you got the break, man. Go get that chop. You said that deal ain't doing it. You got the break.
You know, just sending more back. See what I'm saying? It was restricting it from going to the front the proper way. So when I pulled them plugs out, and I was smelling them
What
plugs.
you saying? You want to get enough fuel?
Yeah, wasn't getting enough fuel.
Yeah.
But my regulator was reading 45.
Yeah. But what it was reading when you should have been had a way you can watch it when you were in it, see what it was reading.
It wasn't going nowhere.
But see, you having a volume problem. I mean, you had the PSI good, but you needed more volume.
More volume.
You need more volume.
Yeah.
See, a lot of people fuck that
Got
up.
too
They
much
don't
flow.
Look at the volume. You have good
Yeah.
pressure, but you ain't got volume.
Volume, yeah.
So when you got rid of that restriction, you got more volume, and then it's
How
send
big a
back
fuel
to back.
line you running on that?
That's a 6.
From your tank to your fuel pump, how big your line is?
You know what I'm
Them little small jump.
Dead 6.
talking? Yeah. It's 6 8.
You pushing about 2,000
You got
goddamn
that
horsepower.
goddamn
You
2,000
got them horse dick lines,
horsepower.
man.
Listen, the thing about it though, from your tank to your pump, you need to have a bigger line.
Bigger line than on
He
return.
right, 'cause if you got a big ass pump doing
Yeah.
100 something, you can't have them off no little pencil dick ass line.
Oh, so you saying these lines too
Those
small?
lines too small.
Ooh, you got the thing looking good.
What's
So
up,
these
OG?
lines go all the way back to the tank?
Yeah.
Yep.
They don't go no smaller?
Uh-uh.
Oh, no, you be straight
Nah,
then.
you good.
I thought you was tied into like the original line.
Nah,
So-
hell
No,
no.
no, no,
Hell
no. This line right here.
They run all the way back.
These gonna go all the way back.
Oh, no, you straight
Straight
then.
to the
Straight,
front
them
for the
big
field.
enough.
I thought you trying to say you need some bigger ones on top of that. I was like, damn.
No, see, a lot of people, they'll go from the little small car lines all the way up to a big line. and
No.
then, you know,
No.
Oh, okay. They still talking about you still trying to run that factory.
No,
Hell
no.
no.
Factory line.
no, you good.
They still under there, but they ain't doing that. Busy. Taking my weight
My
saving.
dad right there.
OG Pop.
Regulator.
He the one started all this shit. This your fault.
Yeah,
Oh, your fault.
It's fault.
This.
Yeah, I thought that was your little brother at first.
Yeah.
You know, you look like
I swear to God. Look by the eyebrow, I thought that was your little brother. Look like that's your dad. No, you capping, fool. You sure?
Got something right now.
Yeah. Golly. You gotta stick a number by it.
I sure gonna tell you bring that blue thing now, but I done broke mine.
We drive them bags up the interstate. Work out down there every day, we got plenty of way. When it about business, they finna play. Hit the bait just to make sure that the business straight. How to get paid, let me demonstrate. Nothing but bread on my dinner plate.